Hello guys. Oh, check back, check back. This is my expression hair. Expression hair now. Don't know ya de so. So ni gua o. Oridian. Can they paint people? We not sabi do am. They paint them where. Now the ones who don't get money they buy. The ones who don't get money they buy. Now the poor people they buy human hair for AliExpress now. Now big women like this, and I know if you do one for you for 60 euro. I dey craze. God forbid. God forbid bad thing. How may go? All the expression. My name go. Now, but our sister I start up by you. There is something I see about a side up by you. When somebody is promoting her or doing something for her, she don't. I've never seen a side up by you come out to promote person. Like say come out for those states, you go promote expression hair. I don't see. You come Europe, say thank you. Europe people, they will do fabrica there. But in a state there that is very, people are poor. A lot of people are doing this hair side up by you. Why can't you, because of God, do advert for them where he expression no je no mama like your dress like comedy. Here salobo expression here mo pa be ju ho wa expression me wa nyo heji we gwa we bana mi go ogugwa wa here those state why they do now abi iya wo wa ya na yare fieze na miege ahenovone okwa balameji au wa ide na yare fieze. Vanity upon vanity, die and people will say RIP for a fire. The way that they wish some people now. No good name. I cannot die tomorrow. Somebody will say Miredos die in a fire. Then will cry tire. Even that person will hate me before will cry. Oh, where you are about go Miredos, you go my hate your video. I know that one, I know. But as I talk about you now waiting. Una go die, what they will talk follow now. Say una die. Say wow. Now let wow say you sing you went time you sing a month ago die, finish. You people are too heartless as I talk about, very heartless. As they promote you now for Europe, you have to go back to Edo State tomorrow. Don't even mention my name. Because I am international, Meriedos. Meriedos is not only in Edo State. Over Nigeria, Meriedos. Person when not know Meriedos, remember one for Nigeria. Now, what I talk. Don't mention my name. Come out for your people. Use expression here. That is what I'm telling you to do when you get back home. Use expression here to do a comedy. So that the people of Edo State will eat also with the money. When you want to go to your state and say, thank you very much, my Europe tour was successful, use expression here as a comedy show. It will help people in Edo State. Not me. Forget about Meriedos. Don't even mention my name. I'm really, I swear, don't dare. Help your people in Edo State. So that when you will bring out expression here to do a comedy, people will not be looking for all the saloon. La will go wow expression. Esta will comedy bar. Will go wow expression. That is a good name, okay? Don't just come to Europe and do like one small thing like this, looking for all the people's money. Later go back to your state and start doing bad things again. Start selling human hair again. You will not help them in Edo State. You will not help your state to grow. You like to take all the money now and go and be giving them peanuts. Wame. What's that? That is a bad name. Help your people back home. Help them. And about the saga that is going on about Ujedo talk show for coming out to say that the people in Dublin, they are very fat. It's true, they are very fat and but lovely. Ujedo talk show came out for a comedy. Thank you for my hair. I made it myself. Ujedo come out for comedy to make people laugh. He did not mean what they are really fat and lovely. He did not insult them. He was saying that fat. He did not insult anybody. He did not say that their toto is smelling. He just said that it's just like I was laughing. The women that they were fat up, like me now, see me. I dey eat well. Now make see my belly. Now make them get body pete. Or maybe I dey we boy bolo. Where me bunny there? Hey, we bunny I run. Unless a mighty. I big me na do je papa. So, Ujedo talk show know that all woman for this Europe, even when working in my fat, in my pete. So he just come out to entertain everybody. So stainless, you don't have to be insulting your brother because of Esther Dokpayi. Esther Dokpayi have nothing to give to the Edo State people. He just come out to look for money, and be putting money where it cannot vone. That is just it. You don't have to be insulting. Why are you insulting for Esther Dokpayi? I make advert for Esther Dokpayi for people to buy their ticket and go and to everywhere UK they should go. But when Esther will get home, you will see what she will do. She will go to Edward store and start advertising human hair. Esther Dokpayi don't have anything to offer. She have a sweet mouth. She have a sweet tongue that I don't have. I'm very insultive. Esther Dokpayi have a very sweet tongue. Bayawa Westo, and I got some video. Am I lying? But it's very good. Do not, the way you do it, I like it. But don't be a criminal. Don't be a 419. Promote your state. Edo State must grow. You must promote your state, Edo State. You must promote Edo State. You must make Edo State make money. As a star that you call yourself. Do you understand me? You are nothing for everybody to support. You are nothing. We are just doing it for you because of God. You have to go home and do something for the people in Edo State. You have nothing to offer. You are so stingy, greedy to the last bone. Am I lying? The only thing you will do, you go and be doing giveaway. My giveaway is just for fun. Many things that I have done in Edo State, I said, not be only Edo State too small now for Mary Edos. I've been international, worldwide, Africa. Nowhere for Africa where they don't know Mary Edos. Kenya, Zimbabwe. My giveaway now for fun. People where they give giveaway, there's a bit do expression they sell. For my page here, there's a bit do. There's a big fish. I teach them how to fish. Then I will come and play. Hey, giveaway time on a con. Me got camp there now. I go get it over now. So, as I talk about you help nobody in Edo State. You are very greedy. Very greedy. When we were open in our time now. Ofeko ye kwen ye wani. O greedy ria. Okay, therefore I mean your bonoje Edo State. But you want everybody to fight for you. Why it's just advert. Stainless, you are doing more than yourself. Advert, you don't have to insult. Me also, I come out. Me also, Rose Yobosa, you are blocked. Get out of here. Get out of here. Don't mash my tongue when I'm speaking. You are too small, idiot. So, Stainless, it's not war. You fighting for somebody, you will go home, carry all the money, go take to Edo State. You will not get anything. You are just stupid, Stainless. That is just it. How much they will give you? Maybe 200,000 naira. They are fooling you. Do you know how much you will carry? So just do the advert and give yourself self-dignity. Self-dignity. Do not come and be shouting like you are suffering. You are not ashamed of yourself, Stainless. You have to be very, very ashamed of yourself. You are Caterian before. Do a mature. The way I make, if I want to do adverts, people will see, watch and say, Mary, those video adverts. I will do adverts for you, but I mean, no Esther. It's just to collect. Not be only Esther. All the musicians in Edo State, they are criminals. They are armed robbers. Yes, they don't, as a star, there are things, a comedian, there are things you will do in Edo State. People will say, wow, Edo State, wow, make I follow the baddies, may I follow the baddies, may I buy this. They not get time for person. They will take the money and go and buy big marker. They will buy big marker for themselves and start doing like this. Buy big car. You were stupid. They said, what shall it profit a man to get the whole world and loses his soul? Be good to your people. Look at the people doing expression here. I share them to my page. With their number, I will carry them. I will put them for my page. Make people forget them. Because the day when I go there, they will put 1 naira for my grave. Even though I sleep as I will not send anybody. Because this life not in day. But to now, all this musician, I have a star yana. Nyama. When I call ya mugoni, when I ya why you not get a medium dose? Why you not bet? Yaga for now, a fancy way, okay, pants. Good afternoon. Oh, okay, blessing. I love you so much. How are you? How are you doing, my dear? I don't block her. I block her. Nobody talk to me anyhow. Not even a dope person. I don't agree. Because I know where I be. I don't value anything for this world where I did. My mom came me. Only the small children I carry back. Small children. I don't know they play. Whether you're picking up, now my picking finish. Now me they see for this world. The rest is whether I'm top fan, I go just block immediately. How can my top fan ask me to shut up when I'm saying the real truth? Why the way people they do advert now? Why they not do advert for expression? Edo don't come out. Say expression, hey, all this experience, all of them upon they say expression. Edo people not go make money with them. They are very stupid though. They talk for stupid things. They take stupid things back. Something that just make the advert and get inside. I make the same advert for Esther. Very cool. And then I get inside. Yeah. And she go Paris now. And this show, competition day. UK now, be like now UK she want go. UK now they would like to do more. Yes, with the Sian. And I like the show. UK now like to spray more. After UK now Paris. So Paris go say, hey, what happened in the UK? It's a game. It's very nice. But this person, Esther, that we are doing this thing for, who is she? That is the problem. She's just stupid. Nothing here, nothing. Only her own. Only what team everywhere. Now money is not anything for me. If they like, they spend all the money in Europe for you. I'm not feeling about me. Me I tell why you go here so why? Okay, no way. If the film motor buda me, you will woman me. People are back here. My own be say after Esther don't collect all this money. Oga said though, if you not why here ya mulati. Oba unyaga wana na ga said do no why am wa ga. Wa my own. Green snow under the green grass. All those Ebe mo expression. Dete sa so wana mo expression. Owe wa expression rei. Emegi low. Onye me aseme. Medo agbobodo Facebook. Ya agbobodo. But she will never do it. Never. Never. Now see now when she will go Benin. Now see what she will do. That girl they wait for her. Me and say Edward. Wahoy. Only na my him masho. Esther was in Nigeria. Or was in Nigeria, a store no kiri Lagos, Esther na waya mume. All those one now go where those one we na hey, who they zuzu when they were na and to a comedy on Esther. Use your head. Because the people supporting you, they are not fools of Edo State. Obona re no ke ve beri ri aya we o ke pa we na wa vio bonu we na e wa se to me we emi ya ni tana wa mi o esta wa se dori o wa do e Lagos yan na wa flex o wa bi zuzu na yes o wa mu Edward do amone you ma heladia. Even though say Edward na your mate, see do expression how the man go agree. By expression do advert with it. Why people so bad? Why not bad? Why not get bad mind? Like agbonana wa say monyo pale loma. It's your good name that will be going with you. Your good name, Mary does have a good name. People are doing like this for me now. Now, like, not in their mind. Those people love Mary so much. A lot of people, even the one will go come up show me that can't insult me, love me now, like. when the day when I go old die, and I go see him for social media. Say, Jesus, Mary does stop this thing. Now, see him now. No good. Me when I been aba, say let's see what la dia WhatsApp on fair WhatsApp on okay, then we been next abada. Okay, the next hour. What's on? Oh, we go nowhere. People don't have sense. He will collect the money and go back to inside sun later and go and enjoy. You will be going to your 4 hours cleaning job, idiot. Jealous woman. How can I be jealous when I make you make expression here if you are not a fool? You think me is jealous? You are a goat. I can never be jealous. You will do expression here. I will have the guts to say, bring it. I will sell and bring money for you. You will do expression here on your page. I will carry it and put on my page. I will share it. And you said I'm jealous. You are mad. I'm not jealous. I go talk and you are blocked also. You don't see me again. Get out of here, stupid goat. Now me they talk, now you they say jealous. What I want jealous person for? More women one on Facebook, it time on Jay, attending la voix. Nobody could do me anything. You come and come curse me. I want come. You will not me. I want to go one or one minute. You will never vision. I saw what my moto. Maybe I. So Oma no me Oriona young winner a jealous young wagona. They get me small. People have to think when you are doing something, okay? I love you guys so much. I think I have to leave you guys now. I love this my hair, like, oh my God, like I'm outcast. It's an expression, I make it myself, you know? Very beautiful. Bye guys, bye. So buy your ticket. Esther is, I think, in London, UK now. Then Paris, yeah. And Esther, please, I beg you, when you get to Edo State, don't come and just say thank you, everyone. Use the expression to do advert. Please, that is what I'm telling you to do. Expression is just like, what is all this? Huh? You come and let me want to be expression mama. Huh? Now let me want to be expression mama. On again one big baby, I take it seriously. That mama mujadi me redo. Imi awune, ena babita. It to say other people not stand for me. Me for don't die. Yeah. Now, Edo people make me see the talk today. Make me see the breathe today. Edo people. So, now you my people. So, I'm begging, I'm not insulting Esadopayi anymore. I'm begging her when she gets to Benin City, to Edo State, for her to come and be thanking us in Europe. Please bring out one expression and do advert for us. I will be very happy. Because I make time to do advert for you also. I know that you will be hearing this and say, why did she even do advert for me? Because you are a coward. Do you know how many women, because of me, that attended your party? Do you know the island women, because of me, if you don't know. Okay? I did not say do anything. I don't say bring money. I say, expression, but Emma wa uwedo. Nya gile we me no gwalo. Umanya we expression mu na. Ere no pa ye we gbere. Why are you wicked? Why are you heartless? Why are people Sadoka o nemi o wo mo balance o. Nya ya why you people wicked? Are you people zombies? Are you people so dull? Nya ya boom Shan Odigye. Shan be called me. Shan inboxed me that she wanted to order. But she never turned up, and she did not turn up again. They don't care about you, but when they want to do something, they will want you to help them. You people, it's like, I want to strangle you people to death. They will be looking for that will make advert for them everywhere. Hey, why you happy? Why you wala? Oh, they know why you wala. What have you give to the Edos? Nothing. Yeah, you know, Pania will never do. Berawaya was so, uno bele. Uno ya, uno wa magbogia. Nya, that's yawa. Emere dos na you de crazy de man. Stupid, don't know what you want. Amen. Get nya viens yo, me man. Get nya viens yo. Nya ga like stage. Well, wouldn't So I love you guys so much. But I said, Opayi, that is your assignment. If you not do them, now only you now, them Sadoka, then they come. The time when we go hold Sadoka, yeah, again, yeah, lieke ya mo. Oh, we je o mere to si me, my way, let's get imagine. Again, we are with me, pataki Sadoka. Now there I go come out. You not go expect me. Oh Jesus, Mary, to see me. Them no expression mighty there. Na me go why na ehwe ma yobo kan. What expression Sadoka no mighty there. No man na set the expression head mu nya woro. Iya emi expression na be. Nene emi no useless no wa we be dog wa we. Expression ya we do state. Them no run gwa mana ti mu nya hu. Ni memunya huna ogi megi wuna de noro ave sandra gbokun wa mi wa gun ave shine Odigye wa mi what you now see for life. I don't know. I don't just get it. You people are so shameless. By the time I'm finished with you people with this my mouth wa mi na te mere dos wa igbata wa atata we yule. Because you know how to collect from your people, but you don't know how to give them. It's not by giving them giveaway. There are things you will do for a state will move on, a state will grow. They want the state to be doing for them. Only them. My bad, I don't tire. I go finish.